Yeah, so we just got to the store, and I see some 2017s. This is a good one. Race Team Corvette 69. It's a good one, but I already have it, of course. And would you look at that? This one has no number, so it must be the Kmart edition. Show the back. Then and Now 2017. I'm at the back of the car. So this is the then and this is the now, or then and now. Alright. This one has temples on the front. You can see that Mazda emblem and the lights on the back. What else they got, man? Yeah, so they have another one right here. So I'm gonna take two for customs. You know what I'm saying? This one also looks like no number, must be a Kmart edition. But I already have this one. And you can see this is the exact same car, different colors, and that's what makes it a special. This one is the regular mainline, this is the Kmart edition. But I'm guessing, right? Don't take my word for it. So this one I already have. This one, Neo. So yeah, by now I definitely doubt there is a yellow one for this, the MK7 in a yellow color. But I grabbed this one just to check on the case number, which is the B case, and that one is the Supernova out of the Flames. So that's the one I'm gonna be looking for. That's the Super Treasure Hunt. And also from Kmart edition with the no number, but a different model or different color. This one is blue, but this one, well, this one is white, but the regular one is blue. So also got it already, but I'll take an extra one. Go yourself. Look at this one.
Oh, there's none out there that good.
No.
There's more at that too.
We'll take a look. We'll make it just for the video right now. That's about it. We got pretty much all of these ones.
Yeah, because if you're collecting anything, there's two guys in the sun or whatever that live out here in Estancia.
Yeah.
Shit's gone.
Oh yeah, no. I mean, like I said, we get mainline. We get lucky, but I mean, we know there's people out there who.
Yeah, they live right over here, so it's like not even worth.
Yeah.
My son did this for forever. What they've got back here though is
So yeah, I pretty much went through it, and I'm only taking these 3-4 cars right here. And what I noticed is there's a couple more of those Kmart editions, like the flashback, more Mustangs, flashbacks, and well, there's quite a few more. I just done. There's another Mustang. I don't know about this one. This is a high roller. Doesn't have a number, but I'm not interested. And then there's another RX-7 flashback. And this one too, the Surf Crate. Doesn't have a number, must be the Kmart edition. And yeah, I'm gonna go to another section of the store, see what else they have. So this is the Hot Wheels section of the store. They have these ones right here, which I already have, but what I don't like about it is just that these wheels are like real tiny. I mean, they're nice, but they're just tiny. And look at this, the favorites for $1.80. Doesn't have the same barcode, but I mean, it does say Hot Wheels Premium Collector Favorites for $1.80. So that's even cheaper than these regular ones. The Gran Turismo for $1.99. So if you are trying to get some real riders, this will be your best bet. You can use those to customize your own cars. And $1.80 for real riders, that's not bad. Not bad at all. And over here, it's just more repeats. And I think I'm gonna take 2 of these. Put these wheels on some other cars. And yeah, they also have these. So like, what I mean by the wheels from this one right here, like you can see these are real tiny compared to these ones. And these ones are cheaper. I mean, I'm just talking about customizing. If you were to use these wheels versus these wheels, these are cheaper, and then you're better off with this kind of wheels. Let's see. See that? This one is alright. The Boss Ford Mustang. So yeah, it looks like they have most, but they're missing the Nissan. Oh no, there it is. But it also has the small rubber tires. But I think that's all for today, or at least from this location. Once again, thank you for watching. And hopefully we'll see these rims in these type of cars. And give it a thumbs up. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe and stay tuned.